Research shows that turmeric, with its active compound curcumin, holds transformative potential for liver health, offering powerful protective, anti-inflammatory, and detoxifying benefits that could revolutionize the prevention and management of liver diseases. So, what happens to your liver when you start taking turmeric, particularly its active component curcumin? Well, several positive effects can occur in your liver. We put time and effort into this video so you don't have to. These are the results. We divided this topic into 6 points and we threw in a bonus at the end of the video. So then stick around for the end so you don't miss any part of this puzzle. Alright, the first one is protection against damage. Starts with oxidative stress reduction. Curcumin is a potent antioxidant, meaning it can neutralize free radicals, which are essentially unstable molecules that can cause cellular damage. The liver, being the primary detoxifying organ, is exposed to high levels of toxins, which in turn can increase oxidative stress within the liver cells. So what does curcumin do? It boosts the activity of the body's own antioxidant enzymes, such as superoxide dismutase, SOD, and glutathione peroxidase, providing a defense against oxidative damage to liver cells known as hepatocytes. And that's not all. Furthermore, turmeric provides cellular protection. But how is it able to do that? Well, curcumin is able to do this because it enhances the production of heat shock proteins, which help cells resist stress-induced damage. See, this protection is crucial in conditions where the liver is exposed to high levels of toxins or drugs, potentially preventing cell death and liver dysfunction. Its reduction of inflammation by inhibition of NF-κB pathway. To break this down simply, we need to know that chronic inflammation is a hallmark of many liver diseases, including hepatitis, fatty liver disease, and cirrhosis. So, curcumin works to inhibit the NF-κB pathway, a key regulator of inflammation, thereby reducing the production of pro-inflammatory cells known as cytokines. It also plays a role in the suppression of COX-2 and LOX. This can be carried out because curcumin inhibits cyclooxygenase 2, COX-2, and lipoxygenase, LOX. In summary, these are basically enzymes that play significant roles in the inflammatory process, and by reducing the synthesis of inflammatory prostaglandins and leukotrienes, curcumin helps lower inflammation levels in the liver. Wow, that was intense, right? Well, okay, let's take a breather with our next point. This one is all about cleaning out our liver with enhanced detoxification. Enzymes. The liver's detoxification process involves converting harmful substances into less toxic forms that can be excreted. Curcumin induces the expression of phase 2 detoxification enzymes. These enzymes are essential for neutralizing and preparing toxins for elimination. Chelation of heavy metals. Did you know that curcumin can bind to heavy metals? We all know how harmful lead and mercury can be. So, reducing their toxicity and aiding in their removal from the body is just one of the many benefits of turmeric's active ingredients. In essence, this chelation supports the liver's detoxification role, preventing heavy metal accumulation and associated liver damage. Now let's talk about if you already suffer from some liver damage. What role does turmeric play in the prevention of fibrosis? Let's tackle this from the top. Liver fibrosis involves the excessive accumulation of extracellular matrix components, meaning that normal liver tissue is replaced by non-functional fibrotic tissue. If the damage is great, then this can lead to end-stage liver disease. But the good news is curcumin inhibits the transforming growth factor beta, TGFB, signaling pathway, which is how fibrosis is activated. This inhibition prevents excessive collagen production and scar tissue formation, reducing or preventing fibrosis. Regulation of lipid metabolism. Activation of PPRs. Curcumin activates special receptors called peroxisome proliferator activated receptors, PPRs, which play a central role in lipid metabolism. This activation promotes the breakdown of fatty acids and reduces their storage in liver cells. It also plays a role in reduction of lipogenesis. Curcumin downregulates the expression of lipogenic genes, which are involved in fatty acid and triglyceride synthesis. And by decreasing the production of these lipids, curcumin helps prevent the accumulation of fat in the liver, which is crucial for managing non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, NAFLD. That's not all, folks. Turmeric increases bile production. Curcumin has a choleretic effect, meaning it stimulates the liver to produce more bile. Bile is essential for the digestion and absorption of fats and fat-soluble vitamins. It also helps in the excretion of bilirubin, cholesterol, and toxins, leading to digestive support. Here, the increased bile production improves the liver's ability to process and eliminate fats and toxins. This not only supports liver health but also enhances overall digestive function. So what is the overall impact and considerations of turmeric? Well, let's look at the holistic liver support. We've found that, by incorporating turmeric into your diet or as a supplement, you can support your liver's health through multiple mechanisms. The cumulative effects of protection against cellular damage, reduction of inflammation, enhanced detoxification, prevention of fibrosis, regulated lipid metabolism, and increased bile production contribute to a healthier, more resilient liver. Bioavailability and usage. Curcumin has poor bioavailability, meaning it is not easily absorbed by the body. To enhance absorption, curcumin is often combined with piperine from black pepper, or formulated into liposomal supplements. Typical doses range from 500 to 2000 mg of curcumin per day, but it's important to use turmeric supplements within recommended limits and consult a healthcare provider, especially if you have liver conditions or are taking medications. Safety and interactions. While turmeric is generally safe, high doses or prolonged use can cause gastrointestinal issues like nausea and diarrhea. In rare cases, very high doses have been linked to liver toxicity. Curcumin can also interact with certain medications such as blood thinners and diabetes drugs, potentially altering their effects. Therefore, it's crucial to use turmeric supplements under medical guidance to ensure safety and efficacy.